Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I wanna explain to you all how to modify in AutoCAD for the beginner. So firstly, I wanna make a copy. But first of all, I wanna make a rectangle first. I wanna 50 and 50. So basically, the principle of the copy is like this. Uh, I wanna make another rectangle in here, so I just specify the point on the lower left on the rectangle, and make sure that the rectangle is on the midpoint in here, and this this and this always in the midpoint. So if I want to create another rectangle in here, I just do the like this. The direction is like this, yeah. So I wanna start from the upper left of the rectangle like this. Make sure in the midpoint 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 and midpoint, and the other side is the same from the right side. Okay, just do it. It's like this: midpoint, 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 sorry, midpoint. Okay, and the last one, midpoint, midpoint, and midpoint. Okay, yeah, like this. And I also want to show you how to make a mirror. Firstly, I wanna use polyline. I want to use 100 and 250 and close. And for the mirroring, I just want to use line like this, but it's optional. It's not even uh required to use a line. No, it is not. So I want to use mirror like this. Select object, mirror, and this line is a benchmark for the mirroring like this. Yeah. Uh, Erase source object. No. If I click yes, the mirror sorry, the object on the left side is gone. But if I click no, like this. Okay, for the next step is rotating, yeah. Rotating, I want to create the same object for rotating. 100, 250, and close. Okay, select object, rotate. I wanna make this point for the benchmark for rotating, just like this. I want to rotate to 30-degree, yeah, like this. And for the next is scaling. The principle of scaling is like when you have an object, for example, just like a rectangle on 100 times by 100, and basically you wanna resize this rectangle to maybe 200 and 200. Yeah, uh it is the function of scaling. So firstly, just select the object and press scale. Oh, sorry, I wanna copy it first for the to make it easy to comparing. Copy, yeah, copy and copy. Okay, okay, select object, scale. For the apa for the benchmark is up to you, but I want to make from the upper and left. Okay, click and specify scale factor. I want to use 2 times because I want to make it to 200 and 200. Like this. And the other one, I want to make it 300 and 300. Okay, 300. Sorry, 3. Enter. Now like this. The first rectangle is 100 times by 100. The second rectangle is 200 and 200, and the last rectangle is 300 and 300. So the question is, if I have a big rectangle, how it can be to make uh the other rectangle but it's smaller than the first one. So basically we can use scale too, but sorry, I have to make a rectangle first, like this. Let's say I have uh 300 and 300. Okay, I want to copy it first. Okay, for the scaling I want to make it to the 200 and 200, and the third rectangle I want to make it 100 and 100. So basically like this. Scale, put the 2 divided by 3, enter. So it's like 300 times by 1 divided by 3, and you get the result is 100. So after that I want to show you about chamfer. Chamfer is like, if you make a rectangle, you will notice that the corner of the rectangle is cutting. So I want to show you this, just like this. I want to infillet and use chamfer. Select first line. Yeah, I want to make the upper one and the left one, like this. But I don't tap what the measuring. I don't, but I want to undo it. Rectangle first, 150, 150, for example, and I want to make a chamfer using distance, and I want to make a distance for 20 and 20, like this. Just click the upper one and the left one, or upper one and the right one, up to you. But it's it's uh it's have to decide that connected to the others, like this. Just the left or the right is not able to the bottom. Okay, like this. And I want to use again chamfer, distance, and I want to make maybe 50, enter, 50, enter, on this side and this side, like this. Okay, and another comment is, I want to make, sorry, I want to make a fillet. This 150, 150, enter. Want to make a fillet. Fillet is basically like a radius. the difference with a chamfer is chamfer like the straight line, and if the fillet is a semi-circle, or maybe I call it the arc. Okay, just use radius, and I want make it 30. Okay, on this side and this side. Okay, just like you see right the difference between the fillet and the chamfer. Okay, I want to use it again on this side, and sorry, I want change it to 50 for example. Okay, like this is the radius of 50 and this is the radius of 30. Okay, it's quite different, right? For next comment, I want show you the array polar like this. Firstly, I want to make a circle. Okay, and I want to make a rectangle. 50 and 50. Okay, it seems like too small, yeah. Okay, maybe 100 and 100. Okay, it's better, but I want to move it first. So sorry, I want move it first to make it uh more centered. Okay, and I want to use array, but in polar array. Firstly, select object. I want to make the rectangle to array this circle like this. Select object and select object. Oh, sorry, I have a wrong comment. Firstly, you have to select the rectangle first and choose polar array, and you have to the center point of array. The center point is have to be in the center of the circle like this. Okay, and the next command is a pet array like this. If you have see a river and it's a tree in the river side like this, maybe just imagine this is a river, an actual river. Okay, and circle to make basically imagine this is a tree, the circle is the tree, and the line is a river. Okay, so the basically the theme is I want to make the tree on the river side. Okay, firstly select the object, choose array, and choose path array. Select the path group. So basically the path is following the river, so I have to choose the line, like this. Okay, and I wanna show you how to trim and how to extend like this. I have a line. Okay, I have a line. I wanna copy it. Okay, for example like this. Okay, okay. basically the trim is like cutting. Okay, I want cut this side, so like this. Click, 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 and click. Sorry, and click. So the line is gone on this side. Okay, but the opposite one is like extend. I wanna show you. Firstly, I make the line. I wanna copy it first. Okay, okay. The length of this line is not touching the line. Sorry, the length of vertical lines is not directly touching the horizontal lines, and I want all of these vertical lines touching directly on the horizontal lines. So I just do extend like this. Just tap on these vertical lines and it will become longer than before. So basically just click, 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 and click. Like this, like that. Sorry. I think just enough for this explanation. I'm sorry for the mistake I made, and thank you for the Mr. Denny for tutoring me uh, in class for the AutoCAD. And okay guys, see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.